Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects pretty much everyone. Slow Wi-Fi, especially when you're trying to stream your favorite shows or movies. Nothing's more frustrating than buffering, so let's get right into how you can boost your Wi-Fi speed for a smoother streaming experience. First things first, let's tackle router placement. Your router's location can make a huge difference. Think of it as the heart of your Wi-Fi network. Ideally, you want it in a central location in your home, away from walls and obstructions that can interfere with the signal. Avoid tucking it away in a closet or behind the TV. Elevate it if you can. Placing it on a shelf can help distribute the signal more effectively. Next, let's talk about interference. Other electronic devices can wreak havoc on your Wi-Fi signal. Microwaves, cordless phones, and even Bluetooth devices operate on similar frequencies and can cause interference. Try moving these devices away from your router or, even better, switch to the 5 GHz band on your router if your devices support it. The 5 GHz band is less crowded and generally offers faster speeds, though it has a shorter range than the 2.4 GHz band. Now, let's consider the number of devices connected to your Wi-Fi. Each device consumes bandwidth, and the more devices connected, the slower your overall speed will be. If you have a lot of devices using the internet at the same time, consider prioritizing streaming devices. Many routers have quality of service, or QoS, settings that allow you to prioritize certain devices or types of traffic, like video streaming, to ensure they get the bandwidth they need. Let's move on to your router itself. Is it ancient? Old routers use older technology and can't keep up with today's demands. Consider upgrading to a newer router that supports the latest Wi-Fi standards like Wi-Fi 6 or Wi-Fi 6E. These routers offer faster speeds, better range, and improved performance for multiple devices. While you're at it, give your router a reboot. It's a classic, but it often works. Unplug your router and modem, wait about 30 seconds, plug the modem back in, wait for it to connect, and then plug the router back in. This simple step can resolve many common Wi-Fi issues. Another thing to check is your internet speed from your provider. If you're paying for a certain speed, make sure you're actually getting it. Run a speed test using a website like speedtest.net. If the speed test results are significantly lower than what you're paying for, contact your internet service provider. There might be an issue with their service or your modem. Finally, consider using a Wi-Fi extender or a mesh Wi-Fi system, especially if you have a large home or dead spots. A Wi-Fi extender amplifies the existing signal, extending its range. A mesh Wi-Fi system uses multiple nodes to create a seamless network throughout your home, providing a more consistent and reliable connection. Setup is generally pretty straightforward, often guided by a mobile app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.